Welcome to Reflekta. I'm Adam Drake, Reflekta's co-founder, and I want to show you how we make it simple to preserve presence and connect with life stories in a whole new way. If you're not ready to build your own elder just yet, don't worry. You can start by conversing with our two featured elders, Virginia and Arthur. Virginia is my grandmother. Arthur is my Reflekta co-founder, Miles Spencer's father. Both of them are here to help you experience the magic of Reflekta right away. To begin, log into your Reflekta account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down to the section titled Featured Elders. Select either Virginia or Arthur, and a chat window will open. From here, you can choose to talk with them using your voice or chat with them using text. Ask them anything, like how they met their spouse, where they grew up, or really anything you can imagine. Their responses are both spontaneous and dynamic. When you're done chatting, simply click Disconnect, and Reflekta will return you to your dashboard. Once you're comfortable, you can begin uploading your own documents, recordings, and life stories to start building your own elder. Reflekta, connecting the past with the present.